my first show in Producers Club, Dee asked me to perform for MICDUPNYC for the first time, right? And there was a snowstorm. It was a snowstorm. And she was worried that the people who bought the ticket, Indonesian, aren't going to show up. And they all showed up. And Dee was like, Indonesians are crazy. It's a snowstorm. And they're still showing up. I was like, it's not a storm for Indonesian. It's an opportunity to make TikTok videos. Storm? This is not a storm. This is my TikTok moment. Can we skip to the good part? What you know about icon living? Boom! You know that? These guys know.